Is Meta AI missing from your WhatsApp? You're not alone. Let's understand why. First, check your app version. Outdated apps might cause the AI feature to disappear. If you're up to date, restart your app. Sometimes, a simple refresh is all you need. Next, check your phone's settings. Ensure that app permissions haven't been restricted. Still stuck? Clear the app cache. Free up space for smooth operation. If issues persist, consider reinstalling WhatsApp. A fresh install might solve the problem. Lastly, reach out to WhatsApp support if Meta AI still doesn't show up. They can help. Regularly check for updates. Staying informed ensures you won't miss vital features. Engage with the community. Often, fellow users share tips and effective fixes. Stay patient. Tech issues are common and usually have simple solutions. And there you have it. Follow these steps to get Meta AI back on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips and stay tech savvy.